Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Stormy from Pusheen the cat. But not just a normal one. One of the Pusheen hat. Well, I mean a party hat. Sorry, I've been all caught up in the vibe of Pusheen the cat. Now, all you need to do is make fluff. Now, she's just going to be having her hands like this and not holding anything. Her puffy tail is going to be like this. She's going to have cute eyes. Now tell me if you like the kawaii eyes or do you like these eyes. If you guys like either of these, then I will do those. But I'm just going to do whatever you guys like. And then you'll like the videos, but you'll like the videos. And then I can teach everyone how to do that because I can do both. Now there's that. And I knew this video would be so quick. So, how about we add a little color to her? Here we go. Oh, so cute. And then we will add some color onto this hat. Aww. And how about we add her name? So, Stormy. So cute. Well, remember, you guys need to check out pusheenthecat.com. It's my favorite website. It sells Pusheen boxes and Pusheen boxes for your cat. Me and Sprinkle enjoy it so much, and if you have seen me and Sprinkle going to Home Depot and Petco, you'll know because she's wearing a harness that we got in a pet kit. You guys should definitely check that out because it's so awesome. Here, I'll even... I swear, guys, like, it's my favorite website. I can't even with how much me and Sprinkle enjoy this website. And she actually loves the stuff that comes in it. She gets with treats, a placemat, new food bowls. One time we even got an ice cream plate. It'd be so much fun if you guys went to that website and ordered some. And you guys should feel how awesome it is because it's so cool. Well, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Well, see you guys later.